Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we will talk about how you can live stream your Zoom meeting or webinar to Facebook or YouTube so that your Facebook or YouTube followers could also watch your live meeting or webinar. If you have a paid account on Zoom, it is very simple to set up. So, without any delay, let's get started. First of all, let me show you that this is my Zoom client or Zoom app, whatever you call it, and over here I can see that I'm just currently logged in with my credentials, and after that this is the home screen of my Zoom client. Over here I can join a new meeting. If I click on the new meeting, I would be able to join a new meeting in which only I would be the participant. Just wanted to show you that currently I cannot see anything which allows me to live stream my meeting to Facebook or YouTube. Currently I can see the standard options, like I can mute myself, I can disable my video, the security option. I can see the participants, only I am the participant at the moment. Then I can see the chat window, then I can share screen with myself, or if somebody else could join me and they can also see the screen, or I can record it and I can send some reaction, things like that. But I do not have any option to live stream or something like that, because that option has not set it up yet. So to enable that option, I need to go to the Zoom portal. For that I will open the browser, and in browser I will type zoom.com, and over here I have to log in with my credential, which I have done already, and I will go to my account, and from here I will go to settings, and in settings on the right side you can see number of options, and there is an option called in meeting, and if you scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, there is an option, here is an option, allow live streaming meetings. So we have to enable this option. Currently it is disabled, so we'll click it and the options will be enabled and it will be automatically saved. Over here you can see that your settings have been updated. So I can now able to live stream on Facebook, or if your company have a workplace on the Facebook, can go live on that, and on the YouTube or on the custom live streaming service. If you go here and you can provide the instruction over here, and after that now this option has been set up, and what we need to do is we need to go back to our client. This was our meeting. Over here still I cannot see that option. The same standard options are available. I need to end this meeting, end meeting, and I need to join a new meeting to see that if that option of live streaming is enabled for me or not. So I will click again on the new meeting, join a computer option. Now I am again in a meeting, and if you note that I can see another tab over here, the more. After enabling the option, the portal, we got this option of more. If I click on that, now I have the option to go live on the Facebook, live on Workplace by Facebook, or live on YouTube. So for Facebook I will click on the first option, live on Facebook. After that it will open a default browser and the Facebook page will be open. If you are not logged in on the Facebook, it will prompt you to log in on the Facebook, and after that you will see this small window to go live on Facebook. From here what you can do is, if you click on this arrow, you can go to you can share on your timeline, you can share on friends timeline, you can share in a group, share in an event, share on a page you manage. So generally this option suits better, that share on a page you manage. If you are an admin on a page that you created on the Facebook, you can select this option And after that, the pages you have created on your Facebook, they will be listed over here, and from that list you can select your page. I have selected my page, which is called ICT Nuggets, and I will now click on next. So it will Zoom and Facebook will communicate for a few seconds, and then after that it will bring to the Facebook page. Over here we can see number of options. Since I do not have the camera attached, if I would have camera, then my meeting will display over here, and whatever the live meeting is going on, that meeting will display over here. And these are some of the default settings the Facebook picked up, which you don't need to change. You just need to make some changes over here. Like for example, you can change the title, you can tags and all that. Just title, it's a Zoom. Thus we can change the titles, Zoom test meeting, and then click on go live. After that, again Zoom and Facebook will communicate for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you will see that you will be live on the page, and there you go. And now we are live over here. We can see that people can comment, can participate, and can watch our Zoom meeting through the Facebook page. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.